Today we have a 1976 Aston Martin V8 Coupe. It is Cambridge blue. It has been well maintained and kept by previous ownership in Canada. A member of the Aston Martin Owners Club. All right, come on. All right, hi everyone. This is our semi-cold start because we were driving it earlier. So as you can see, oil pressure is excellent at 3,000 RPM. Little cavitation there. Let's put it in drive. Gauges are working. Pressure's good. We're warming it up a little bit more. We're going to do our usual, going through, as we say, suburbia, around town, and eventually end up at Dirty Taco for a very late lunch because both Jason and I are exceptionally hungry. Not that I need to be fed right now, and I will have a salad, but I am hungry. You know, couple of cups of coffee today is all I've had. So I won't waste away, but I want my salad. So we'll warm it up a little bit more and come right back to you. Okay? See ya. Okay, well, she's warm. We're on the back roads of Huntington. We're going to show you that the horn, town and country, befitting any proper English sports grand tourer. Hazards are working. Fuel reserve light is working because we need to get gas. Petrol. We need to get petrol. Heated rear screen. Interior lights. See? Interior lights, Jason? Yep. It's actually quite nice. I actually have learned to enjoy... Whoa, look at that. Let's stop straight as an arrow. I've actually enjoyed or learned to enjoy a lot of these automatics because, as we've always said, the cars are very, very torquey. And once you're on the road, you're using the power of the engine rather than gearbox. This is an earlier V8 because they all changed in '79 and started coming with a federal airbox, a more restrictive exhaust. So the early cars, in my opinion, are the best ones to have. They're unfortunately very hard to find in this particular condition because people did use them. And I would say this one I've known for quite a number of years. I did not know the owner, but I had been offered the car many years ago, and I know it was in Canada for quite some time. Could not have been used a whole hell of a lot given their seasonal availability to use sports cars. I would venture to say that this 58,000 miles is original. I know that everyone says TMU because that's the way you got to do it because you don't really know. But the interiors of these cars do not lie. And the dash is absolutely exceptional and original, as is the center console and the switchgear. AC is working. It could be a little bit colder, I must say, but given the car came from Canada, I don't think they used it a whole hell of a lot. Windows are working. Going down. Going up. Little glove box. Oh. Hi, Jason. Jason, speak.
Hello.
Oh, okay. Bye, Jason.
Yeah, bye-bye. Oh, gee.
So, not much else we can tell you. We'll be up for our flybys in a couple seconds where you'll hear it from the outside. And we'll be back to you after that on our way to a lovely late lunch.
Tom, can we just call it what it is? It's an early dinner.
Yeah,
At this point,
well,
it's an early.
in actuality, we've just invited everyone from the shop who would like to partake in a cocktail on a Friday afternoon.
That sounds pretty good.
So we are going to have that as well. As you can see, when they're in really excellent condition, they're quite a bit more nimble than one would expect when just looking at a V8 Aston, which is typical muscle. But they corner really well as well. And then there's the braking. Awesome. And the tracking. Awesome, because we don't want to go off the road. So, seeing as how we overshot where we normally do our flybys, I think we're just going to continue to go and do them somewhere else. And just enjoy cruising. So, as usual, as we say, both Jason and I will be back to you shortly. And we're going to do our flybys. Okay? See ya. Okay, well, we're going to change up a little bit because we're already on the FFR road, the farm road, and we'll do our flybys here. But we could also show you the cruising capability and little acceleration. You know, just cruising, nice. And we're going to put the windows up. And when you stomp on it, she'll go. In comfort and British style and convenience. We're going to slow down right here. Whoa. So that we can do our flybys. So I hope you enjoyed the flybys. We're actually going to end this video with the windows open because it's a lovely day. We're going to mention that the interior wilted wool carpeting is exceptional. The remainder of the leather has only the slightest honest patina. Look at that. That is a Cobra that we were just road testing, or someone from the shop was road testing. Quite a nice Cobra at that. So, again, really, we welcome any questions you may have. So, here you have it, 1976 Aston Martin V8 Coupe. See ya. One of the cool things is everything's working, including the clock, which was a lovely video-owned company called Kinzel. We also made watches, but they're actually really great. They work in almost all the cars. They've very rarely failed. And then one of the other things that I wanted to show everyone is that you could have a... It will not come off, but it is a telescopic steering wheel. And now it is tight. But we did end the video earlier prematurely because we would like to make note of our late lunch and the fact that we are at Dirty Taco. But thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Good luck bidding.